Okay, it's time to lock in because this is I don't know. I gotta go. We just gotta do this thing. So we got some new stuff. I can do a little haul video. I got instead of using this stupid thing, I got a set of real metric Allen wrenches. It was like $12, but I needed it. Um, we got some more stepper motors, so this is great. We got some more stepper motors. I think they should be almost identical. Honestly, the Amazon listing said that they were a little bit lower torque than the one that, but it should be okay. Shouldn't be that bad of a thing. Um, but we're gonna be using this. I'm gonna need a little bit of wire snippers. What's up, my snipper? What's up, my snipper? Okay. Cool. These ones are so much better. I don't know if the wire is shorter or not. Might be a little shorter. Maybe it's 1 meter. That look like 1 meter. Kind of does. But the thing that's sick is that the cable is disconnectable. So that means that I can plug this in. And maybe we should do a little test. Should we do a little MicroPython test? Alright. I'm so good at this shit now. It ain't nothing but a chicken wing, but a sand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug the Arduino. Because really, I should get the hub on here. Oh, but it sucks because this thing doesn't have a USB-C port up here. Okay. Let's just get this. This ain't that right thing, bruh. Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna just test if we can get this stepper motor to work, which actually is a little bit of a hassle. But it shouldn't be so bad. I just gotta. Well, we'll just do it carefully. So let me get a screwdriver, and we can just switch over to this for right now because we don't really need to. So I'm just gonna All right, so with this one we really could fry something because this is a live wire, but it's okay. Put that bitch in there. Loosen it. Get it real in there. Tighten that shit down. Tighten that shit down, brother. Tighten that shit down. Now ground, it should be fine because it's just ground. So if we ground anything, it should be okay. We do need to make sure that's not entangled in all our bullshit. Actually, what am I doing? This is stupid. We should just test it with... Let's just test it with this board. I feel so much more comfortable with MicroPython, but it's like... At some point I have to quit being a little baby. Big boys use Arduino. I actually don't agree with that. I think MicroPython... Honestly, if it'd be so much better if... Okay, should be good. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to just take out... Fuck. This stepper. Blue on bottom. Oh, wait, this one has red on bottom. Okay, red on bottom. It's a little bit different than the other one. Okay, so we're just going to try to run the code. Right? So, how do we do it? I think we just send a... Oh, but we have to... Yeah, let's see, is it running? Is it connected? I don't think it's connected. Oh, there we go. Maybe I gotta flip it around. Maybe it's not fully in. I cannot tell. Is it my settings? Could be my settings. Let's see. If I hold down the button, I got an error. There should be $H. Let's just do a $X. Are we getting anything? We're not getting anything. Fuck. Something is wrong. How do I reset? There we go. Okay. So let's do $X. Okay, now G0X0. It's not moving this. Let me try to flip it around. No, it's not working. But I don't know why it's not working. Okay, well then I don't know. Should I try it on Arduino? What the hell? Okay, wait. Let's just try to switch it back and see if we can just get it to work like normal. Maybe it's like randomly grounded somewhere. Okay. Right, so that works. So that's great. So then, for some reason, this stepper motor is being weird. Its pin arrangement is different, but I didn't see any. Hold on. Actually, there was a little card that I should have taken a picture of. Things in German, man. What the heck? Okay. Let's grab another one of these. Is there an open one? I thought I had an open one of these. Okay. Is 1A the same as A plus for stepper motors? A plus for stepper motors. Oh my god, I'm so sick of it thinking, bro. Yeah, okay, A plus is 1A though. So that means that, hold on, enable is supposed to go up there. So it means enable is supposed to go there. So that means that at the top here is 2B. 2B is red. This should work. At least we got at least we know that this thing should be red. I mean, how could they fuck this up? That would be insanity. Oh, it did move. Wait, but I think when I manually move it, it like messes with it. Wait, I don't think that's right though. That doesn't make any sense. See, why can't I get my settings? Let me do reset. Isn't 5 homing? Okay, here we go. This is a useful link. We're gonna be doing this for real. This is a useful link. Okay. What? Might as well put the Y in. Whoa. Something seemed like it arced, kind of. Let's see if the other one... Let's get our tweezers. Luckily, I have a lot of the drivers, but I am worried that I broke maybe the board somehow. Because if we break the board, we're kind of shit out of luck. Okay, so let's just test the other... Why is that... Okay, so... Alright, sick. So Y is working. So then why isn't this one working? Let me look at another one of these. It does alternate, so it should be fine. Black is... Oh, wait. I think it might be flipped, but... Will that matter? Because this goes 1B, 1A. No, it should be fine. Wait. No, wait. No, this is fucked up. Hold on. This pinout is totally messed up. That's why it's not working. This thing's not gonna work. No matter what we do, this pinout is fucking broken, bro. But wait, let's see if we can. I don't know. Oh, that's so frustrating. This thing, we gotta take a picture of this. It's all busted. So I'm gonna go jettison. That's these. Damn. I wonder if we could bodge it. Just by um um okay, wait, but what okay, if hypothetically if we were gonna do this, what would we need to do? Because it goes 2B, 2A, 1B, 1A. 2B, 2A, 1A, 1B. So I would need to switch black and green. I kind of don't want to mess with this though. Why don't we just get why don't, for now? That's so annoying, dude. Oh, you would expect the freaking pinouts to be right. Alright, whatever. Um. Okay. Okay, so we gotta get. Okay, so let's just take this thing out. We're gonna just jettison. I think it's only one. One and a little bit. We should be able to pop this out. Okay, so we just need one. It's probably an M3. I gotta use my new toy. My new tool. This is 2.5. Wait, but it's impossible to get out of here. Okay. That was totally crazy, man. That's so nuts. Okay, well, whatever. Let's switch this back now. Oh. They really did me dirty with the freaking incorrect pin ordering. I'm almost positive this will work now. Okay. So now if we get our settings here. Alright, so we should be good. So we're at Y1, so let's just do G0, Y5. Cool, and it moved. You know? So great. Okay, so at least we have, well, found a bug with my new shit that sucks. But we at least know that we know how to get it working. We just have to flip the pin assignments on the stepper wiring, which I'm not really keen on doing at the moment. I think this is called a JST. Anyways, so the next step is a bunch of CAD work. So let me just show you guys what I got. Okay. So as per the video, he had way bigger linear bearings. I did not go nearly that big. But I did get, I think, 300 millimeter rods. And they go into the linear bearing. And they seem pretty good. It seems like it'll work. And now the tough part about this whole thing is definitely, for me, the mechanical part of you use 2 pulley wheels. So what I'm imagining, let's see, let's just go to our classic I know it's distracting as hell, but I do also like that it's so stupid they did that. It's like one of those things where it's just like, you people have nothing better to do than ruin your own product. Which is a bunch of bullshit, you know? Anyways, okay, so this is the x-axis, right? And we have the carriage. Let's just draw the rail. And we have this. So what I'm thinking is, as simple as possible, is, and we have the switch, we have a switch here that extends like this. Or rather, yeah, I guess it does kind of look like that from the top. Now, what we want is, I guess, a platform that goes like this. And then in the center, or do we want it in the center? I guess maybe we want it off to this side. We want it off to this side. There's this shaft. And then the pulley goes like this. Actually, no, I think it is in the center. No, see, it's not in the center. So I think this is the one. This one right here is the one that's connected to the stepper. This is an idler wheel. It's still toothed and everything, but it just is idle. Okay. Anyway, so we have this like thing here. And all it is, so his part has more because it holds the can we close all this crap? Okay, these both make sense to have, and so does this. Okay. It has the servo, but for right now, I gotta go step by step. I can't do the whole thing. So all it's gonna be is literally just a place to put this thing, these 2 rail pipes, and a set screw. That's it. And that's what he has. He said he's using nuts, which honestly is the right way to do it, because otherwise, but I'm wondering, is there a better way? So the advantage of the nut is that you can take it out. Advantage of the, I feel like I just want to use threaded inserts for everything. So in this case, all it's going to be is like this geometry again, which we have kind of nailed. But we do need to know that the position of that relative to, because what are we doing right now? We're designing 2 parts. Well, we're designing 3 parts. But I just want to start with these 2 parts that need to work together. And the coupling between them is simply just the positioning of the belt. Because you don't really want, like, I don't think it'd be the end of the world, but you kind of don't want, like, a weird side load on the belt. You kind of want it to pull directly along the axis of the belt. Uh-huh. Um, right, but the that's not the only coupling. It's also the rail holder. I kind of want to just put it like this. Seems like the most obvious thing is that it's just level with. It's gonna sag a good amount if we do it like this. You kind of can't support it like that. Maybe what I'll do. Maybe what I'll do is in a little L shape, an L bracket type of thing, and it'll be elevated. It'll just be really high up. I mean, it sounds kind of stupid because his is so low profile, which is nice. And I think it's gonna bite me in the ass later if I don't recognize how important it is that it's so low to the rail. Um, geez, this thing is really beautiful, man. Uh, I mean, it's so crazy how you can just not appreciate how many features are in a thing. Okay, so and if you look at the arrangement of the two pulleys, you see how I don't have a trackpad to zoom in, but if you see right here, it's angled. So that means that these things are not. So the gap in between here is less is probably less than 2 times 16, which is the outer diameter of the pulley wheel, which is 32. I mean, I think he kind of arbitrarily chose a dimension, and I feel like we could do the same. Like, is it really a big deal? We should just choose that we're going to space the center distance between the two beams to be 50 millimeters apart or something. But before I go absolutely insane, dude, I wish I had like an infinite desk where I could just like conjure up stuff. So we shouldn't need this for a decent while. So I'm just gonna take this. Ooh, it's kind of a tricky one. I guess I'm just gonna put it off to the side. It's kind of stupid. All right, so we're gonna need to CAD the bearing. I want to go to Amazon and see if I can find the linear bearing that I did get. Yeah, it's this. Let's see. Did we get a drawing? Obviously, we didn't get a drawing, but we did get some dimensions. I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, you can model it just as a bored cylinder, so that's fine. I do want to double check though, because you never know if these guys are being stupid. So just double check all the dimensions, and then once we do, we have an image for it. Okay, 8 pretty good. 15 good. 24 good. Okay, so that's it. So let's just LM8UU. Let's just make a part for this. I mean, who cares? But you know, It's like so easy. And it's one of those things that actually this is such a waste of time. Let's just see. Uh let's just see. Um Cylinder 15 millimeter diameter by 24 height. Bored through hole of 8 millimeters. It's so unfortunate though because you can't like the wild thing is like if 01, 03, whatever, even 40, any of these models knew enough about the dude, that's what I'm saying, bro. That is the most stupid fucking what? So bad. Whatever. I don't care. Um wait. So this is going to be 15 8 20, 24. Okay. There we go. That's the whole part. So we have that. Let's just do another part. So that wait, let's make sure you got to remember to rename things. So this is the linear bearing. Okay. Let's just do one more part. This is going to be the rod. And let's just make sure that we got the I don't know what it is. I don't even really care because I'm guessing that I know what it is. I think it's a 1 millimeter. Yeah, 1 millimeter. 8 millimeter, so 6 millimeter. Okay. And then I'm almost positive this is 300, but I don't really have a. I thought I did, but I guess I lost it. Oh wait, I have it. I have it. Yep, exactly 30. Cool. So we are good. So let's just do rod. These parts are so easy. Okay. So there's this. So what do we need to do? We need to first start off with the well, let me just think about this. Okay, so let's just do a part studio. This is going to be the rod, the like left rod holder. I don't even know what to call it, but if we just do this, um, it's gonna be a rectangle like this. Let's make this one like 60. Wait, no, that's not gonna work, right? Because if the center distance is 50, then that means the outer distance is gonna be plus 8 of that. So it's gonna be 58 outwards. So let's just make it 70. And then this can be 15 is good with me because we only want it to go in like as little as possible, arguably. Five is probably too little. Maybe we'll make it 20. Then it can go in 10, and I can put the set screw at like 7.5 or something. Okay, great. So we can extrude this, and now this is it needs to be. Let's just say we want um this thing is 8 around, and we probably want like let's say 3. So 8 times 2 times 8 plus 2 times 3 is 14. So we can do this. Now we want to sketch on here. Do this 2 circles. Make sure that the midpoint is like this. So I think we should just say V, right? No, wait, V. H. That's what we want. Okay. We don't really want the point though. This is, anyways, this is Q. This and this are also H. Oh, what? Okay. So, and then they're equal. Okay, then the dimension of this needs to be 8.2. Okay, and then the distance from here, from the edge, is going to be 3, we said? Wait, no. We don't want to do this. What we want to do is delete that, make the distance between here and here 50. And that's like the driving sort of thing. But then what we want is that, let's just make, instead of this, let's just do this as a coincident constraint. And then we'll also make a dimension between here and here. And we're just going to say that this and this are equal, right? Can we do that actually? Or do we have to draw a line? I think we might have to draw a line. Okay, great. So this is fully constrained. And then if you just do a dimension like this should be 2.9. Oh, because we made it... yeah, okay, whatever. That's fine. Then we just want to bore this in maybe like 15 out of the 20. Or do we... Maybe that's a little much. Maybe we just go 10. Okay. So this is kind of that whole part. So let's just start to... so let's just do this... Okay, so we need to make an assembly file. And we just want to insert the rod, 2 rods. We want the rod holder. And I think that's it. Great. So we want to just do this. Mate that to that. Flip it. And then mate that to that. Wait, why didn't that work? What the hell? Hold on. First off, this thing needs to be fixed. Oh, we need to go to here. Rename. It's so annoying how much you have to rename. It's just like, I want to go fast. So we're just going to name this Y. Oh, I think I see what happened. It's kind of the wrong mate connector. Let's go like this. Flip it. Alright, great. So we have this. And now we need... how do we want to do this? Because we want to look at... Okay, these are like the main things. We need to look at this, and we need to design a part. And for right now, it's like, we just need to, like, go quickly. Because it's so stupid to, like, assume that you're, like, really try to not mess up. Because there's not really a huge downside to designing something that's janky or stupid. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to build... So let's just get started. So this is going to be the... So I'm going to start with the stepper holder. Then we're going to put the pulley on it. So, okay, so we're going to build a big plate that goes across here and just dangles. And then goes across like this. What we could do... I don't really have any spacers. So maybe what I'll do is... I'm trying to think about the wires. Because the problem is that these CAD models, they're always a little bit deceptive. Because, for instance, there's going to be a socket head right there and there. So that changes the Y. Or whatever axis you want to call it. And then there's wires coming off of the top and bottom one here. So it's like... In any case... Dude, see, this is what I'm saying. I'm still stuck in this mindset. So let's just get started, make a part studio. This is going to be the carriage Y. That's what it's going to be called, carriage Y. And we want to kind of steal. It's really annoying in doing any design that we have to like keep doing this. So it's 20. I feel like actually, hold on. We need to pull up all of those. We need to pull up all of those things that we had before, related to the dimensions of the linear rail that we had. I don't remember where that was at. I think I have it bookmarked. Linear rail, linear rail. Here we go. Oh wait, I opened the wrong link. So this will have all of the dimensions of, right. So this is the most important image in the whole thing because this dictates all of it. Okay, so it's called C. So C is 20. So that checks out. And then B is the other one. So it's C and B. So we should be able to make another rectangle that's bigger. And we want it to go out at least. Let me just get my. So this is why you kind of do want to have this thing, because then I can at least take a depth measurement. Okay. Like 7. Why don't we just go out 10? I mean, it's one of those things where it's like, what is it? The road to hell is all about pre-optimization or something like that. I don't know. So this is literally what we're going to do. Carriage Y. We're going to sketch on here. Okay, we're going to draw a rectangle. Oops, like this. And we just want to make sure that we know what this is. This fits directly over the carriage, right? This is exactly the carriage dimensions at 42.1. So why don't we keep that? So what is the name of that? Let me just keep this open. Wait, where is it? I thought I opened this image. All right, I'm gonna keep this. Oh, it's over here. Okay. All right, so that dimension is called L. Okay, so this is just gonna be L. And this one is not going to be W plus 3. Or wait, W, yeah, plus 3. I guarantee you that if we go to look, this should be 35. Okay, great. So what it needs to be is this is going to be W. Let's define another parameter right now. So let's just do this. Open a new browser tab. So we can shift tab to it or whatever. And let's just make sure that we define wall. Wall. Let's just make it 3. Here we're being kind of quick. So this is going to be W plus wall plus 10. Okay. And then from here, we can draw a circle. I don't even know what's faster. It's kind of annoying. I don't know if mirrors are better. So this is going to be horizontal. Ugh. I never get this right. I don't know why I never get this right. I don't know what was faster. This kind of sucked. All right, so that needs to be from the wall. Oh wait, I have it. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to go so fast. Let's see. From that side is like, wait, hold on. Which way are we looking at it right now? This is L. So that means that this is C. So let's just get that done first. The center distance between this is going to be C. Oh yeah, it's significantly closer than I thought. Oh yeah, and then this is L minus, okay. Why don't we just go to carriage and we look at this sketch. Oh, it doesn't have the holes, okay. Ugh, why is this bothering me so much? Okay, so, 11.05, why don't we just copy that? If you double click on it, it doesn't even give you the formula. Even though I definitely did put the formula in at one point. But can't be mad about everything. So this is 11.5. 0.05, right? Alright, that looks pretty good. The dimension of this is like an M3 hole. Okay. The distance here should be B. Wait, that doesn't seem right. Wait, B is not right, for sure. Is it? I guess it is right. I guess that's right. It just doesn't look right. But so, alright, it's fully defined. So if we extrude this by wall, which is kind of a joke, but, you know, who cares? We have this plate here. And then from here, so this goes out, did I say plus 10? So this is going to extrude 10 out. So we actually want to extrude this maybe like a little bit more. So this formula needs to be wall plus 2 times wall. Okay. Hopefully this all lines up. So now we can finish the sketch. And then from here we want to... Alright. I'm being so overly cautious. You know, there's risk associated with every move. Why not just take the risk? So this should be relatively close to the limit switch. So we're going to sketch on here, go like this, take this, make this wall. Oh, it's so annoying that you can't do that. Oh my god, what am I stuck in? I'm stuck in hell. Okay. This is why you... see, anytime... Oh... It's anytime this thing avoids using parameters, it's like they're encouraging bad behavior. They're saying, be a naughty boy. We don't care. We don't care if you're naughty. So why don't we make this go down as far as the other one? Because we really want to make this go down. We want to make this go down so that the top face of the stepper motor is level with this thing. So it's going to be 3 plus, so the width of this, that's all we would need to know. And I'm pretty sure this is 48. So what it's going to be is 45. Yeah, it's like kind of 48. It's like 47.4. So let's just make this 48, well, God, stepper H, should we just make that variable? We really need to just import it from somewhere else. Like, I just copied all this stuff, but we never really did this. Anyways, stepper H minus wall. Okay, and now if we were to... Oh, but you know what? Mounting is going to be an issue. What we're going to need to do is do something like this, which is going to be gross. But you know what? I don't really care. I don't know how it latched onto that, but presumably that was done right. Yeah. Okay, and so what we want to do is expand this out by stepper width. And then we just need to... It's so annoying how many times I've spent just, like, drawing the same shit over and over and over and over and over again. It's like, well, we could at least do this. Okay, so these are H, oh, nope, V. You're always guessing, or at least I am. Then they're E, and then what are they? It's so annoying because I remember I wrote a custom script just for this, and I still am doing this over and over again. I'm pretty sure, wait, hold on. What's another thing that's holding a stepper motor? It's the X motor mount. So these holes are 3.4, so it is an M3 hole. Or, wait. Yeah, it's an M3 hole. Why am I tripping? Okay. We did the equal, right? So now we can just dimension this to be an M3 hole. Okay, but what we really need is a circle here. And this should be stepper notch hole. But then we need to figure out exactly what the distance is from here, I believe. And it should be stepper width over 2. I believe that's correct. And then what we need to do, which is really annoying, well, it's not that annoying, but it's this weird dimension. It's like stepper, shaft, something, something, something. I don't know. It makes it all gangly and goofy. Ugh, that's not what I want. Okay, great. So now I wish I could, why don't we just do this? Yeah, like this. Like that. Make this a Q. Delete this, actually. Take, this and mirror along. Wait, where did my line go? What? Where the hell did my line go? I made a construction line just for this purpose. Wait. This mirror line, this entity. Okay, great. And now I should be able to just mirror along this, this, and that. Okay, great. So now we at least have our motor mount. And we should be able to take this, 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 and this. Extrude, remove, up to next, done. Okay, now it's going to be held down like that, but it's a little bit too cantilevered for my liking. But the problem is, unless it's like a real nice slide fit, it's not going to actually do anything. In which case, I think we should still just put that in then. Honestly, this whole design is nonsense. But if this is extended out beyond that, then we could put a fillet there of like 5, like a pretty good fillet, just to make it a little bit stronger. I don't know. We can take it or leave it. This one, we can't really do that unless we extend it out a little bit more. This is going to take longer than I expected. Because the problem is now what we need to do is, well, why don't we start to build some of the assembly just to visualize it? I feel like this is fine, but maybe we should just get rid of this feature entirely. Just try it totally cantilevered. It's just going to sag so much. So what happened here, it was like this sketch. Okay, but we want to know what the extrude amount was. Yeah, so we did a stepper width, but we want to add like +5 or something. Okay, the sketch is still fine, but now we can fillet it. But what is that going to do? Because unless we actually mount it to this thing that has a mating face with the rest of the X carriage, where's the whole thing? Unless we get some like holes in here and it mates with this perfectly, I don't really know how I'm going to do it. Wait, but let me just... Alright, let's just delete that whole feature. And we'll just see how bad it is after the fact. But for right now, we're going to take... we're going to make this sketch. And we are just going to add... Wait, did I do this right? Why isn't that... Oh, I guess it is centered. So it's this, fine, but then plus stepper width. What? This thing is so bad, it's crazy. Okay. So then we have this. Now it looks goofy, but what we can do is... Hopefully this sketch... Okay, that sketch is there, so we can just delete this. Delete this. We still have this sketch, right? But we need to make it... was a stepper width over 2. And then, you can delete this, right? I'm pretty sure that's it. This thing can't move because it's in the middle, which is right. So that's fine. We just need to delete this fillet and this extrude, I think. Okay. So let's just get a sense of where we're at. This is really dumb, but let's just start putting it together. Carriage Y like this. This surface to this surface. Why is it wrong? What the fuck? How did that even happen? Undo it. What is the distance between this and this? The min dis is 1.8 and the radius there is I think it's because the radius is different. Wait. What the fuck? How did that even happen? Let me look at the sketch again. Actually, do I care? I don't think I care. Okay. So now let's add in another stepper motor. Oh, it's so annoying. I wish I could make it part of my standard content. But wait, why don't I just duplicate it? I think I can just duplicate it, right? Hold on. Did I do it? There we go. Okay. So we just want to mate, I guess it's going to be the center of this face to the center here. Okay, and let's just, yeah, reorient like that. All right, so we have this now. And we're going to put on another one of these, which is, oh, what is this? This is, why isn't that named? Where, switch to, let's do a switch to. I'm so stupid. All right, so let's go back. All right, let's just copy this. Oh, it has degrees of freedom. I think it's a rotational degree of freedom. So what do we want to do? We want to mount it like we did this one, where this thing is actually on the top here. Because then, well, I guess I didn't model it, but there's a set screw thing there. So in the set screw, we'll do that. So that means the pulley will have a pretty low profile. But what we need to do now is we need to modify this to take two things. It needs to take, so, okay, let's look at the rigging. So the rigging goes, look at them side by side. Okay, so the pulley is gonna go from here to something right there. So that means, yeah, okay. So what I'm thinking is we need to add in the space for the linear bearings now and the rods on the main carriage. Dude, the amount that this is going to sag and droop is going to be brutal. Even just a spacer here would be good. Oh, I guess we could... No, we can't fill it that. But we could add just like a flat plate that like... We could add a flat plate right there. That's not like the worst idea. I mean, just to be, you know... I like these linear bearings. Okay. What is our next play here? All right, so let's just add in the dimensions for, so let's go to carriage Y. So I need to go back and actually remember what Y rod holders dimensions are. I'm doing this all like as if okay, so it's 14 high. Uh, wait, but we can't. Well, we have to make it just bigger than that. But that one can be that big. That's okay. Which we need to go to carriage Y, and somehow we need to put something that. Okay, let's think. Let's think about where the belt is going to go, because we did not actually add the important part onto the. Yeah, this thing needs to also include a belt. So I can do it offset. So what we're gonna do is see, this is the thing that I have trouble with on CAD. I want to do something that I just did, but yet I have to like do it all over again, and it's really annoying. So what we want to go is to the original carriage. I'm gonna finish this. Then we're gonna go look at this feature. Then we're gonna look at this sketch, and then we have to basically copy it. Okay, so it's 2.2. I don't know about all the 7 thing. 1.5, 3, 12. Okay. We might have to make it a little bit longer. So I don't remember any of what I just said. So we're sketching on here. We're making 2 circles. This one's 3, I guess. I don't know who said that, but someone said that. Oh wait, there's some weird center constraint on this. Honestly, it doesn't even have to be 12 in. Like, I think it's fine. So this is going to be 1.5. Then we're going to have 2 lines like this. Ugh, I missed. Like this. This is 2.2. And actually, can we... Maybe we should make that a parameter. But honestly, it's kind of funny. It's kind of funny, actually. This is the first time I'm really thinking about this. But, like, in software, it's so easy to get down the rabbit hole of abstracting everything out. And you sort of, like, spend all your time just abstracting everything out instead of solving the actual problem. And I feel like there is a degree to which you have to take into account how big is the scope of the project that you're doing. Because this design... There's not that many parts. So, like, if it becomes an issue, that then maybe you do the abstraction to, like, resolve all those issues. But, wait. But in the meantime, you, like, don't really need to fucking do it. Okay, so this... can we use this as points? So why don't I just say the distance between here and here is, like, 5. Arbitrary. Arbitrary shit. Okay, so now we just need to know... We're going to take this and this, and we're going to extrude it down, remove, I don't know, like 8. Is that, how deep did I go the other way? It's on the carriage. So I do this, then I do this, and it's, oh, I did 7. Okay. Oh yeah, actually that's right. I want to do 7. So the holder, extrude, 7. Okay, great. So now we have kind of like a starting to get some datum where we can figure this shit out. Because, okay, we got this, and what we want is let me think about the design of this just with a drawing maybe. Okay, so let's just do a new page. Okay. So, the problem is the belt is coming in from here. So we have this thing. And the stepper. And the belt is going to come in here. So and then the rod is going to come in here. So what we want is maybe, well, this is all part of one part, right? So maybe just on the edge here. I don't know. What is what is the width of this? Because we kind of need to know that. This is 42. And the distance, the center distance between these things is 50. So that means they're actually, wait, this is 42. Okay, but the rods are going to be elevated, right? Let me think. The belt and the rods are kind of going to be at the same height. So I'm trying to figure out then how we're going to make this work. Because also, we're going to need a hole here. It's going to be an M5 threaded insert hole. Okay, so let me just start to scratch something out. Ugh, this thing bothers me so much. Okay, okay, so let's just assume that this block is centered on here. How do I zoom out? Okay. Okay. So we have this, then we have this. This is 42.1. And then this, what did I make? I think I made this 70 actually. But then how far from the edge is the Y rod holder? Kind of far from the edge. We can make it further from the... Wait, hold on. Can we look at some of these sketches here? What is the actual distance? I just made it equal, and then I said 50 was the spacing, but that's like stupid. 10 from the center. Because what I'm saying, what I'm just trying to figure out is like this distance is 41, which is less than the width of the thing. So it's going to be over it. So what I actually want to do is make the spacing of that. So what we're gonna do is delete this. I'm going to make this distance, change to driving dimension. We're going to make this L, but then plus like, I don't know, like 3. Like wall. Let's just do wall. Okay. So then, and we also have this sketch, and this sketch is using a projected thing there. That should be okay. I guess one thing that we want to know also is just take the center line here. Okay, cool. So the interesting thing about that is that there's going to be a belt coming along the bottom here, and it's going to go to a pulley wheel. And it's going to wrap around the pulley wheel, and then it's going to wrap to the center here. And it's going to wrap to the center with the pulley wheel that's actually connected to the motor. And then that's going to go way down here and connect to another one of these things. Basically an identical one of these things, except maybe mirrored on that rope. Hold on, I need it. Stuff made here is so right. CAD is so boring, dude. It's like, well, it's not boring. It's hard, but it's boring. Okay. Okay. So the next step is, okay. So wait, so I want to add a ghost set of, so we got this rectangle. What I want to do is I'm going to sketch on here. I want to draw a rectangle like this. And I just want to make this thing 70. And this thing doesn't really matter. Like 25. 20? I don't know. Okay, so then that means that the rail, because I just want to like sort of get a sense of the rail. The rail is where? It's, we're going to model, since we're doing a top-down thing, it's going to be like 2 lines like this, right? And this is going to be 8. And this is equal. But then the distance between this and this is going to be L plus 3 millimeters. Okay, and then let's just make a something like that. Oh wait, no, you have to make them as lines, right? Or can you take 2 dimensions and set them equal to each other? Or no, we're about to find out. See, that doesn't work. Okay. Fuck it. I think I can do this, but I think I can make it like this, and then like this, and then this. Okay, so there you go. So this is where the pipe is going in. So I guess what I'm saying. Okay, so then, so then 5 millimeters down the road, we got ooh, that was cool. We got this thing. Okay, so that's okay. All right, we're actually making some progress. Now I'm starting to understand what we need to do here. So I think that we want to increase this 5 because, well, let's see. What is this? This is 5. Okay, but what is this distance? 3.5. Okay, so we could we want to put a wall here. So let's just do that. So I'm just gonna add. Wait. Okay, so it's now kind of time to get the heights right. But I guess the height of that part is going to be dictated by whatever I put this here, because this is sort of the main thing. So what I'm going to do is just start this off. So we're going to just go like this. I don't know. This is going to be wall. And this is going to be well, let's see. How do we want to do this? Because we have these linear bearings, and I've never used this kind of part before, so I'm a little worried about because he said that whatever, he had the zip tie thing, so I'm thinking maybe I want to do a threaded insert set screw thing just to keep them in place. All right, so we'll do that. There we go. We resolved the issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this well, no, it has to be a okay, let's make it as simple as possible. So wait, let's add all these things as dimensions, or no. I don't really care. But it was 25, right? 24. Oh yeah, it was 24. So so let's just make it 24. Like, why not make it right? Okay, so then we want to mirror this. So we want to go up. Oh! Okay, so I'm starting to see what's going on. Because the problem right now is that the belt is kind of at the same height as the rail. So let's just look at what did he do. So in this case, this is kind of clever. I wonder, do we get another shot of it? You don't really get to see it, honestly. What is that? Wait, actually, I mean, that's clearly the shaft. Alright, wait, can we go back to the assembly video with the y-axis? Oh, here we go. Okay. That's a very tight spot there.
With its wire facing out towards this small arm. Secure it in place using three M3x10 bolts. Now add the timing pulley on top and secure it to the shaft so that it sits flush with the tip. Slide the two long linear bearings into the housing.
I wonder why he used longer bearings.
It may need a firm push to fit. Or, if you find that they're too loose, you can use 4 zip ties through these holes to help hold it secure like so.
Okay, well, let's just try to... Okay, so we're going to go up by the same amount as we did the other one. And we're just going to see. We're just going to play around. So we're going to go up by... Y rod holder. This is 14, right? This is quite small. 14, okay. Okay. What I'm gonna do is, so we just want to extrude this by how much? I don't even know. We need to figure that out. Just do 20 for right now, but we need to see how stupid this whole thing is. But the problem is the belt is coming in right here. So... Well, why don't we, Wait, what happened here? Oh, yeah, but that's a nothing sketch. This is just a projection sketch, so that's nothing to be worried about. Fuck. Okay. How do I just delete it? Just fucking delete it. Jesus. You piece of shit. Okay. This is, I mean, this is how you know that I'm, like, utterly garbage at CAD. I just want to get it done, though. Because I want this to work by tomorrow, you know? I really do. I want this to be working by tomorrow. Or, like, by the time I leave tomorrow. But honestly, I haven't pulled an all-nighter type of vibe in a long time. So I'm kind of down to stay up. God, the viewing thing is like, it's so annoying how it just like, oh God, it's so fucking distracting sometimes. Okay, where did the holes go? Let's look at this sketch again. What is this distance though? This is what well, actually we don't really care about that. Oh shit. What we care about is the distance between here and here. Okay. So that means that from... We're going to sketch on here, but we're going to use this. Or wait. We're going to just... Oh, we're just going to draw this line. It's going to be a construction line. And then we're going to draw a circle. Like this. This is not construction. And this needs to be... Well... 15. We're going to make it 15.2. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's big. Holy shit. Okay. Then we need to make this 1.5. Okay. Wait. Wait a minute. That is not right. And the reason why that's not right is because draw a 8mm hole there. So we want to make this actually So how did we decide? Can we open up Y rod holder in a new browser tab? So how did we decide this distance again? Okay, so what we actually want is just want to look at that's not gonna that's L. So we kind of want L plus yeah, okay. So we want the distance between them to be L plus wall plus 15.2 minus 8 over 2. Okay, this is the wrong thing. Okay, so 3.6. Okay, so we need to add 2 times 3.6 to this. Okay, so we need to add 2 times 3.6 to this. So let's just try it. So we're gonna go. Wait, we don't want to do this. Okay, we want to make this not plus wall, but plus 2 times. Or are we gonna do plus 15.2 minus 8? And then we gotta go millimeter, because this program is made by idiots. And then we want to sketch this out, and we're just gonna make this 80. Hopefully that doesn't mess with too much stuff. Okay. So now they're real wide apart. We could also flip this to the other side. And we could start to play around with the heights. Because I don't think that we're going to want the... I mean, his are kind of at the same height. It's kind of crazy that he's able to get it all in there. To be fair, there's no reason why the hell I need to... Okay, so let's, okay, so this is a Q for sure. So what's wrong here is that we don't have this dimension. So we do want it taller, and I think we want to make this just bigger in general. I mean, there was no real reason. Why don't we make this, so the problem is that it's all relative to this thing, which is so annoying. Wait, what is this? This is not right. Oh, yeah, see, that's how that came about. What is that? Let's go check on the real thing. That's like 2.5 or something. It was like small. I remember it was small. Let's just go check. So it's on here to here. 1.8. Alright, so let's just do that. So that'll fix that. Okay, so yeah, so this is what is gonna be wrong. So we're gonna we're fine. We just need to take this initial sketch, take this. This is now gonna be 80. Okay, and the problem is this needs to be 80 minus. I think it needs to be 80 millimeters minus C over 2 for you. We could also just draw the lines, but, you know, I think that's fine. Oh, wait. But we want to remove some of this bullshit. Also, we probably want to make this thicker, a thicker plate. Honestly, no matter what we're gonna do, it's gonna bend and warp like crazy. Why don't we undo this change? We want to redo this change, but we don't want to do the other one. Ay. This shit is so crazy, man. Let's make it go up by like 25. Okay, so then we're gonna edit this sketch. No, not that sketch. This sketch. Okay, we're gonna draw a line from here to here. Okay. And why don't we just make the distance between this and the top like 3? Okay, so if we were to just look at this, so that's that. So then that means that whatever's happening here, the thing is going to be up there. So yeah, so we definitely need to... Oh, but is that going to make this a pain to rig up? I don't think so. You just have to flip the whole thing over, kind of. I wish I could then take... I wish I could take a sketch and just move it to a new face. That's nice. So it kind of worked. But a bunch of stuff is wrong. Oh, because this needs to be... So let's just delete this. Okay, so now if we think about it, um, the they're kind of at the they're actually at the exact, because this is 14, so the bottom of the bottom of this belt. Oh, and we actually forgot a couple of important features because we forgot about the we need to add... It's so easy to forget features. Okay, so we're just gonna do this, 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 this. Damn it! And I hate how it clears the... Okay, this. Well, let's make this... Well, can we draw a line here? Because there's a line like this and this, I think... Is it 15 or did I do 10? I think I did 10. So anyways, that's like that. So wait, can we use this? Some entities cannot be projected. That's okay. So we need to have this centered over this. Okay. So now we just want the distance of this to be like 5. But I think that this needs to be not M3 hole, but 4.8, right? And it's just going to have a bolt sticking out of it, right? Okay, so I should be able to just mirror this. So I shouldn't actually have to do this. And I'm going to mirror the feature, right? So we're going to extrude this. Oh, wait, but you know what? It's a little bit unfortunate because I forgot that you need to have a little bit of extra thickness. So how do we want to do this? Because now we're kind of in a... So we do this extrude, and this extrude's going to be the 14. Let's make it 20. Okay. Okay, nothing is horribly bad now, but the distance between here and here by min distance is 5. And the depth of the threaded insert is... okay, the depth of these M3 inserts... Okay, so let's do the 4. So it just needs to go to 4 deep. So we need to extrude this by 4. Oh, wait, but it needs to go... No. It needs to go up to next. Remove up to next. Okay, like that. Okay, now we want to do a mirror. So wait, first off, do we need a midplane? No. Feature mirror. Features to mirror this extrusion. Mirror plane, this plane. Okay, there we go. Alright, so now we have the set screw. So I'm fucking wired right now, and I don't know why. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What's next? So now... So I kind of want to know this thing. Look at this sketch. Wrong sketch. Great. This sketch. Wait, and we don't have that yet. It's okay, fine. So let's just draw a new sketch. Okay, so we want to use all this. Well, we want to... I just want to know the distance between here and here. Oh, perfect. Okay, 3. Oh, wow. It's so hidden. Okay. So we need to think about this, right? Because if this is facing like this, and these beams are going out like that, then 3 millimeters below this is going to be the top of the belt. The top of the belt. Okay. So I say we're just going to, So wait. 3 millimeters below this is the top of the belt. So wait, we need to start to design, okay, wait. This is gonna be, it's gonna be extruded by, oh, oh, fuck, I don't know. I guess I can do up to face, up to plane. Alright, so we're gonna sketch on here. Great, yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Dumbasses. Alright, so we want to draw, so how's this gonna go? We're gonna have a circle here with a hole, but we have yet to figure out where that needs to go. But we do need our overhang. And that overhang is what will have the bolts going down. So these things are 16? No, what are they? I don't even remember. I need to write all this down. I mean, I could just measure it in software too. But I have my calipers here, so I might as well. 16 on the dot. Well, it was 15.99, in case you were wondering. So what we want to do is draw a little thing like this. That's, yeah, wall. Okay, and then the distance between here and here is going to be 16. Right, and now we're going to extrude this up to face, but it's going to be this plane. And then what I want to do is I want to actually finally fucking take this, not that sketch, this sketch, and we are going to take this and extrude, remove, up to next. Okay. But now we need, right, we need our set screw in this thing too, right? Or, no, we don't. We don't want, wait, hold on. No, we do. We obviously do. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a hole just right in the middle of this thing. I wonder if I can... I forget what the fastest way to do this is. I thought I had figured out optimal play here where you go like this. And then you have a center point, and then you can do this. And then dimension this to be... So we need this to be... Well, this one doesn't have to be anything in particular. So why as well just make it an M3. Also, but I want to know is... So, this needs to be 4.8. M3, yeah. Okay, and then extrude, remove, up to next. Okay, great. And then... I guess it doesn't really matter how deep it is. But so that's for a threaded insert. It would be nice if I could get the threaded inserts as part of my standard content too. And then I could just insert it. Because having an assembly that's as complete as possible is super useful. Alright, so the next step is to... Okay, so wait. The thing is that... Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a mirror. This part is so stupid, dude. It's like so ridiculous. It's like so ridiculous how I have yet to... Oh, wait. Wait. Okay. Okay. So in this, we want to insert... Well, I just kind of just want to do it on here. So we have this. And we need to insert a linear bearing. Okay, let's put them here. This mate. I'm pretty sure I made them the right width where it just like fits in there, right? Cool. Okay, now what we want to do, insert Y. I think it's just called Y. It's an assembly. What we want to do is, it always looks like it's weird, but it's not. We want to put this over here, except we need to do that, and then we need to flip, like that. Okay, but we actually want it to be a slider thing. But I think I probably... Oh, nice. Sweet. Oh. No, I guess that is a limitation. I didn't even think about that. But the limit switch... I guess the limit switch goes somewhere here. I wonder where we can fit the limit switch in. Where does he have his limit switch?
We now need to solder a few wires. There's very little soldering required in this project, and the first part, the second motor, is presented from underneath.
Oh, see, look at that. There's actually a cutout. So he makes this thick. He makes this thick, this plate way thicker, which we should do. I mean, think about it. We should make this like... I don't see any issues with making it at least 3 millimeters thicker. So I'm just gonna go make that freaking executive decision right now, because otherwise I feel like I'm certainly gonna regret it. I am a little worried though that this might. Okay, maybe it's not an issue. Wait, what the hell happened? What the hell happened? That was weird. Okay, well, it's above it. But, so what we need now is, yes, okay. We are almost there, man. We are almost there. Um, I don't know what to do about the limit switch, but what I'm thinking is we just make it deep. We just make the we just make the belt deep. If we make the belts deep, then I can just control that. I think I would rather have it from the top though. Um but okay, wait, let's just figure this thing out. So I want it from the top. Okay, so wait, do I want it from the top? Then I gotta flip this thing again. Um or should I just raise these up? Because I kind of just want to print everything right now. But we do need to figure out how we're gonna do this thing. Well, actually, okay, we clearly need to make this more further inward. So let's just start with that. And then we'll calculate the height change requirement. And then we'll figure out the placement of that. And then we're ready to print it. I do want to add the limit switch. So, okay, so we're going to flip this side. We're going to move it down. Okay, okay, I got it. So we want to go to Y rod holder. Oops. Okay, we want to take this thing, which is associated with this sketch, change this to be on this face. And then we want to take this, delete it. Oops. Wait. Delete this. Move this up. Dimension this to be 10 now. 10 might be aggressive, right? Okay, but then what are we doing? We need to, no, 10 seems good. Well, actually, I don't know. Ooh, that's a little tight. Let's make it a 12. This whole thing is so silly. Okay. So what the main thing is all about now is, okay. Right. So okay, so now let's calculate the height thing. So this needs to go down. Okay, so I know how to do it. But it's actually hard to do that. But I am worried about the... Okay, I'm curious. So why don't we take this, which how do I see all show mates? This mate. Let's delete this. Oops, where did it go? Where is my pulley wheel? Did I just delete the whole wheel? Okay. So we're gonna actually flip it. And now what we want to know is how far deep do we need to make? Okay, so let's just make the extrusion deeper. God, this program is made by idiots. Alright, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to get it down that far, but we're gonna try. So, oh, and the other thing that I guess is not clear is, I guess the distance between this face and this face is not 0. So that sucks, right? That's stupid. Wait, why is that? It's I guess I do want it to be. I guess I could just move it down by 2. So then I want to flip it around again. So we're going to undo this. Then we're going to... Okay, and then we're going to take this sketch. And instead of this, it's 12. Okay, so we're back to where we started. Alright, so it's actually getting... I'm getting good at this. Okay, so... then here, I want to undo that. Okay, we're getting there. But then I actually want to take this... Should I believe it? What mate is this? I thought I saw I thought I saw a show mates thing. Show mates. Wait, I think I have to click on the part and then I can do it. Maybe it's not part of anything. Oh, okay, it's not part of anything. So we wait. So we do want to do this, which is the good way. I'm guessing that I'm missing something, but we want to offset the Z by -2. Because the set screw's on the top here, so that should be fine. But actually, this is going to be kind of hard to deal with. But we're going to try it anyways. It's going to be hard to... basically, it's just going to be hard to get an alignment. Fuck. Alright, so now we just need to make that 1.3 deeper. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, wait, we need to also do a counterbore here. Another feature, sir! Another feature, sir! These look like M3s. What's the socket head on M3s? I could pull up pan tilt, but I could also just look at it. 5.2. So we'll make it I don't know, 5.6 or something. Okay. So what we need to do is hop to carriage Y. Then we need to go to this, which is on this sketch. Okay, but then we need to do uh oh no, I didn't do the depth. Obviously I didn't do the depth. Yeah, you think you know a guy. You think you know a guy. You think you know a guy. Okay. 3. Wait. 3. Extrude this, remove, and we're gonna do 3.2. Okay, cool. So we got a little bit of space now, right? But I thought I wanted to add a deliberate didn't I want to add a deliberate crunch here? But the thing is, this is such a wasteful design. But whatever. I mean, we can optimize it later. But it's like, let me think about this. I'm wondering where we could put that other limit switch. Save some space. And save some on the cantilever. I think with 6mm we're gonna do a lot better, but still it's a lot of stress to just be hanging over there on 4 M3 screws. But okay, at this point we've got the Z alignment, so that means the belt lines up directly with this, which also directly lines up with this. So now we just need to know basically okay, so we're going to draw a sketch on here. But the first thing we need to do is we need to measure this to here, right? Because that's 4mm. So that means that... oh, yeah, we can't. We have to go to carriage Y. So this needs to be 4. Okay. Wait. This is a construction line, and its dimension is going to be 16, I believe. Okay, and that's where this thing is going to go, and it's going to wrap around, and then it's going to come around, and then it's going to go around. Dude, oh, fuck. It's a big penis! It's a penis, dude! How is it that I always end up making a penis? How the fuck did that happen? Okay, so that means that we need to actually add a sketch down there, project this thing. Oh, and we could counterbore these too if we cared. Oh, and installing these is gonna be a pain in the ass, man. These ones are gonna be fine, but these ones I'm not even gonna want to do. Honestly, though, I'm thinking about it, and it's like, you can either make a better design or you could buy more expensive tools. And in this case, I'm like, should I just get like an Allen thing that does it electronically so that I don't have to worry about it? So this needs to be like M5 hole, which is 5.4. Okay, and then this is going to go remove up to next. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to sketch on here, but then we want to use this, and we want to make a hole that's so it's an M5 threaded insert, right? So we need it to be and this is going to go through the whole thing. But it's 6.8. So this will be the threaded insert. And we're going to take this, and this. We're going to extrude it, and it's going to be a remove, and it's going to be a 6. Great. And now, so we have a bolt that will go through, and if we just look at this, from here to here is 19. So, oh, wait. That's 19. From here to here is 25. Perfect. Perfect. Somehow things tend to work out like that, huh? So what we're gonna do, and let's just get this all ready, right? Is in this, we are gonna take this, we're gonna copy and paste it. Got another one here. Why is moving this causing? Let's just insert it again. Okay, so we're gonna so which way does this need to go? This needs to go with the thing on the bottom. So we're gonna take this and made it to there. Flip it. You know what? In the lack of clearance, we might want to make it just like slightly like 16.1. I mean, that looks pretty good. And it definitely lines up. So what we want to do is we want to go back to carriage Y. And we want to look at this feature. And we're just going to make this 16.2. Just to give it a little bit of room. All right. I think is the part done? I can't tell. What am I missing? The limit switch is kind of the only thing. So I'm wondering if I could take this, extrude it down, and just put the limit switch on here. Why don't we just do that? Okay, let's fucking do it. So we're going to take carriage Y, not carriage Y, Y rod. I'm going to go here. We're going to extrude this by like, what is the thickness of the limit switches? Where are my limit switches? Where are my limit switches? I think it's like 6. No, I think it's like 4. I don't know. Who knows? I know in 1 second. Yeah, it's 6. So, so what's happening here? So this is the bottom of this thing, right? And we're gonna just slap a limit switch onto the bottom of this thing. But we need to be a little bit careful about it, right? Because you can't just put it anywhere. You need to put it in the middle somehow. And the cables are going to be going this way, so we actually do kind of want it on this side. But once we get the belt in, can we put it on the top of the belt? It's kind of stupid, but could work. And honestly, I don't even think I don't even want to extrude it down. Cause like, what's the distance between here and here? It's like, yeah. So we're good. We're good. All we need is the holes, and the holes are gonna be what, M2. Let's just go look at the other part of this. So where do we use these? It's right here. So if I were to hide this thing, so let's just look at carriage. What is the hole size on this? 3. Really? Oh yeah, I guess it is. Okay, so it's 3. So we just need to go to carriage Y. And, well, what is the spacing here? I want to look at this sketch. Okay, so this is, okay, so all of these we need to figure out. So I'm just going to do this. In the extrude depth. Okay, so we need to, look at this penis. Look at this penis. We need to, wait, not on here. We need to put on here. And I just want to put it like right here. Like right here. So I just want to open up this. And we're just going to draw a sketch on here. I'm going to draw 2 holes. Every time, dude. So annoying. Okay. Is that right? I guess that's right. 4.25 is the distance from the thing. Shouldn't really matter, but let's just make it 5. Okay. And now what was the extrude amount? 4. Okay. So now we should be able to do this. What happened? Obviously something crazy happened. Oh no, it's just regenerating. Okay, so now we should be able to take this limit switch, copy and paste it, and then we want to mate like this, or maybe like this one to there, and then we rotate it. Is that the right way? What the hell just happened? What? Okay, well, that's fucking annoying. Alright. Wait. What? What? Bug, bug, bug. Bug, bug, bug. Okay, so we want... Yeah, we want it like that. Right? Oh my gosh, my sense of perspective is totally fucking messed up right now. Oh, damn it. We want this hole to go to this one. No, I still messed it up. No, I meant this one. Ugh. There we go. That should be fine, right? I know that this is a little suspect of the overlap. But you know what? You know what? This thing is not about doing it the best, okay? This thing is about showing that I can do it in the first place. The second iteration will be, alright, this guy can make it good. So, so I believe we just need to, basically duplicate Y rod holder. Except, wait, actually, is it the same? Maybe that's fine. Maybe that's fine. Maybe it's the same part. Maybe you just need to print two of them, right? So let's just add a second one. All right, so let's delete this. And then let's insert Y rod holder again. Okay, and what's happening here is we're going to mate the back of this thing with this. Great, I think that's right. Oh, what's up with that extra pulley? I don't know what's up with that pulley. I guess the only thing is that this is this and the tangent plane of this. If we were to make it, let's make a little tangent plane just to, wait, actually, I don't even know if I can make a plane in fucking assembly view. Just a little silly because honestly it's kind of a useful tool to be able to do that. Okay, so we will need to make a little adjustment there. So we're gonna duplicate it and we're gonna need to find out. Alright, so this goes around here, then goes around there, and goes around to there. And then under enough tension, it should work. I feel like I am gonna have a trouble of a time with this 2mm dip thing. Considering that the width of this opening is only like 7.3 or something, it's gonna be a little bit tough to get it all in there. But am I missing any features? We got the linear bearings in here. And then this, what is this? This is 4.8. So this is a threaded insert with a bolt that goes on it. This is the same thing. Threaded insert bolt, threaded insert bolt. So we're going to have to do a bunch of those. But, you know, who cares? And so the pen is going to go on here. Okay, so what are the things that I definitely need to do? I just need to adjust this. And how do I know how much to adjust it by? It's that the center of, I just want to know the center of this circle to there. I don't know if that's a good min dist. Can I look at the, why did I do that? Okay, 8.1 from the edge, and the thing is 8, so it's gonna be wait, but that's not really the place that I want it to go to. What I'm trying to figure out, I guess, the distance between no, okay, wait. What am I? I'm looking for Y rod holder. Let's look at the sketch of this thing. So that's 12 from the edge. That's 16 from... Wait. 16.1. Okay, fine. Sure. Um... 16. No. What? What am I even talking about, dude? What are we trying to figure out? We are trying to figure out um we are trying to figure out the distance from... Yeah, dude, from a machining perspective, the datum here is all messed up. It's like a crazy chain of like nonsensical logic. But that's what you gotta do when you have a 3D printer. You can kind of just fuck around. But we need to figure out basically is this outside plane here takes how much to get to... Okay, wait, here's what I'm gonna do. Wait, oh, it's so annoying that you can't make planes for measurement on here. Low-key, I think I should just eyeball it. Wait. Um, Let me just get wait, I do have paper somewhere. And I have hella pens because I remember I just got a bunch of pens. So we have this, and this is 42.110 or something. Wait, no, what actually is it? It's L, 42.1, I believe. Oh, great. Thank you for fucking not doing anything that I asked. 42.1. Okay, then we have this other thing. It's 80, and they share a midpoint. Okay, so that means, and then we know that this circle is how far from the edge? I don't remember. Um, 9.75 to the edge, but oh wait, no, that's to the center. Okay, to the center. Great. So that means that the center point of this to the center point of this should be... So we know that this is 40. So this should be 40 minus 9.75. Okay, and then we have a circle around this thing. And that circle is 16 millimeters in diameter. So then we have this 8. So now we want to know this. So it should be minus 8. So it should be 40 minus 9.75 minus 8. From the center of the... So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate Y rod holder. Duplicate. What part is this? Let's just say right. Okay. Okay, and then all we need to do is we need to take this feature and delete it. This sketch. And then we want to take this stuff and make this 22.25. Okay, and then we want to add this to wait, what happened to my pulley? What the hell happened to my pulley, dude? Well, in any case, it's gotta be like this, this, offset Z by -2. Alright. I think we're good. I think we modeled the whole thing. Pretty much. This whole second axis. Yeah, so it goes like this. Wait, but that see how much we're restricting ourselves? But still, I mean, that's so, I mean, that's a good amount of travel. It's not the worst. It's just not great that we're wasting so much space because of this limit switch. I mean, I definitely wish it was better. But I think I'm ready to, so we just need to print all these parts. So why don't we start doing that? So we need to export both of these. I don't like when it gives me zip files. Okay, so we have that. Then we need carriage Y, which is just this big penis. Export the penis. Okay, and what other I think it's just those 3 pieces. I think that's the whole thing. So we can Bamboo Studio, we can export this or print it. I think it turned out pretty good though. I mean, look, if this works, man, I'll be able to, go to Christmas and be like, check out my fucking new toy. I think the rigging is going to be kind of annoying. But it'll be hyped to have a 2-axis. I want to see it home. I really want to see it home. I think that'll be cool. So I'll need to get the software set up. Um Wait, I'm missing something. Oh, see, I hate when it does the zip, dude. Which are gonna need supports. Ugh, this is gonna be brutal. But this is gonna be a pain in the ass to get the supports out of. I forget how it printed last time, but maybe we take a risk on those parts. Um, I guess it's just gonna make me do it for all of them. Okay, let's just do it for one of them. Objects. Both of these need support enable, support enable. And let's slice again. That is going to be absolutely brutal to get out of there. Wait, those are solid whole. This, I guess, okay, maybe not. 2 hours. I guess I gotta wake up early. It doesn't make sense for me to like wait around tonight. What time is it even? 1:35 in the morning. Okay. Let's just print it. We'll see how it goes. And then I guess Alright, so that's what we did. We got the Y axis sort of catted out for my little pen plotting CNC machine. Got the assembly sort of looking kind of nice. I thought I set up the limits on this thing. I guess the limits don't transfer. I don't know. Something or other. Okay, it's crazy that I got... Alright. It only takes 2 hours to really do it. You just gotta lock in.